Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I'm Eric. This is my 2022 Mazda CX-5. This is the turbo model. Today, we're going to replace the cabin air filter. This process should be the same across the board for all of the Mazda CX-5s, and quite honestly, pretty much any other car is going to be very similar to this. So even if you're not a Mazda owner, follow along and learn how to change your filter. It's an easy-to-do, beginner-friendly maintenance item. It's inexpensive and only takes a few minutes of your time. You'll also save some money by not having to go to a shop or pay the dealership to do this for you. Some shops might charge you $20 to $40 to do this, and the fact is a cabin air filter only costs a few dollars. Let's get it taken care of. All right, so the cabin air filter is on the passenger side. It's probably a little easier if you just take everything out of your glove box. Everything will be out of the way, so just do that first. And then all you have to do is on each side, pinch it in. That's it. So just pinch these and pull it towards you. And that's going to give you just enough room to get to the filter. So that's the filter housing there and the filter itself. It just slides right out, and that's it. Let's take a look. So here's our filter. This one is actually not too bad. I must have replaced this more recently than I thought. So no need to replace this one. Like I said, it just pulls out. There's a little lip here to pull, and that's it. And this whole piece will be replaced. So you just put it right back in, pinch the sides back together, and put it back in place. Gang, that's it. This job is done. Now you know how to replace your cabin air filter. Just like I said, it's easy for a beginner to do. It's inexpensive. The filter's only a few bucks online. Links in the description if you want to help support the channel. I would sincerely appreciate that. Don't pay a dealership or an independent shop to do this for you. You can do it yourself. If you found value in this video, I would sincerely appreciate a like or consider subscribing. It really helps the channel more than you know. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care. Dude, it's freezing.